Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope for your well being and I hope you all are doing your work regularly. Today, we are going to do our lesson number 7 of English Sunflower Book, and name of the lesson is Mamani's Adventure, and the author's name is Mitra Futran. Let's know about author. Mitra Futran is an Indian author who writes in English. She is also a translator. Her first book was Mamani's Adventure, which was published in 1987. So, let's know about the characters. So, the main characters are Mamani, Moina, who was Mamani's brother, Mamani's mother, Uncle Deepu. Mamani was a 7-year-old girl. She lived with her mother and brother. Moina, her brother, and her mother worked as a tea picker in the tea garden. Mamani was a 7-year-old girl and she lived in Assam. And Assam is famous for its tea. So Moina and her mother worked as a tea picker in the tea garden. Mamani's house was near a little brook. Brook means river, small river. Moina had planted sugarcane near the house. They wanted to sell the sugarcane at the Friday bazaar, and the money which they will get from it, they decided to buy sweets for Bihu festival. Every morning before leaving for school, both children carefully tended the patch of sugarcane. They dug up the land, uprooted the weeds, and watered the plants. That means they take care of the sugarcane patch very lovingly and carefully. They dug up the land, they uprooted the weeds. Uprooted means to take out something. So, weeds which are not required, so they take out the unwanted plants. Soon, with all such care, the sugarcane grew strong and sturdy. Sturdy, which is very strong and very difficult to move. So, one day, Uncle Deepu visited them. He warned them, "Be careful of Ganesh. He has a real liking for sugarcane." Now, who is Ganesh? Here he is, Ganesh elephant. And why the villagers call them Ganesh? Because we all know that Ganesh is one of the Hindu god who has a head of an elephant. So rather than calling him elephant, villagers call him Ganesh. All the tea garden workers were terrified of Ganesh. Terrified means scared. The garden was surrounded by thick forests where herds of elephants lived. Herds of elephants means groups of elephants. These herds walked through the garden and destroyed their valuable plants. The children were very brave. They have made a torch with rats soaked in kerosene, and as we know, wild animals are really afraid of fire. So whenever Ganesh just pay visit in their garden or in their farms, with the help of the torch, villagers used to move them back. So in the same way, the children have made a torch with rats soaked in kerosene. One day, when Mamani returned from school, she heard a sound and she knew very well what it was. It was the sound of Ganesh. She looked around, and there, just across the stream, he stood. He was huge and his true large tusk gleamed in the sun. Gleamed means shone, shining in the sun. The torch! Suddenly Mamani remembered. She found it in the corner, ready to be lit, but she couldn't find the matches. She couldn't find the matchsticks. Then she decided to sing as Uncle Deepu told them that Ganesh understands everything. So she decided to sing and convince him to move back from their sugarcane patch. She joined hands and sang a Bihu song. O grandfather Ganesh, you are king of the forest. We all bow to you, O grandfather Ganesh. The forest is large and wide, O grandfather Ganesh. Go back where you came from, O grandfather Ganesh, for our hut is tiny and small, and the sugarcane that you see is to feed our family, O grandfather Ganesh. She requested she requested Ganesh to go back to the forest because the forest is very large but their hut is very small and the sugar cane is to feed their family. So she requested him to go back. And then he halted in the middle of the stream. Halted means stopped. Okay? He raised his trunk and sniffed the air. Then, as Mamani continued to sing, he turned and went back slowly. Who is he? Elephant, Ganesh. She heard a cry from her mother. She came and hugged her mother. Her mother and brother were really proud of her. That evening, as Moina and Mamani kept one large piece of sugarcane for Ganesh near the river, suddenly they heard a deep sound. It is Ganesh. He's saying thank you for the sugarcane. So this was the story, beautiful story about Mamani, Moina and her mother and their struggle to save the sugarcane from the Ganesh. And at the end, when Ganesh just left the sugarcane patch and did not eat it up, so they have given him one big large piece of sugarcane, and at the end he in fact said thank you to them. Now the new words: situated, brook, sturdy, terrified, heard, destroy, tended, uprooted, weeds, valuable, sought, sniffed, occasions, dusts. And the word meaning: destroy, to damage something, halted, stopped, rats, pieces of old and torn clothes, sturdy, strong, soaked, put something in liquid, tended, cared for something, terrified, very frightened, and weeds, unwanted plants. So thank you so much. We will send the PDF of the stand pages and of the written word as well. You will read the story from the stand pages if you do not have book, and then do the written word also in your fair notebook in neat and clean handwriting. I'll see you soon. Thank you.